The higher resolution, the sharper and more detailed the image quality. However, by default, when on a high resolution, the text seems to appear timid, and you really need to put in the effort. At times when the contrast is not great, or when you simply forget your glasses, you might generally prefer a bigger text size on your machine. Windows, it is fairly easy. You can easily change it from the default settings app on your system. Here's how to change it. First, click the Start menu and click on the Settings app tile present in the Pinned Apps section. Then in the left pane of Settings Windows, click on the Accessibility menu. Then search for Font Size Settings and click on it. Alright, there is a slider. Use it to change your system font size. The change will show in the text size preview. Adjust to your desired size. When it's fit, then click on Apply button. A blue screen will appear. This will take some seconds to change your system fonts. Now, as you can see, the text below the icon is more bigger than before. If you have significantly increased the system font size, your text cursor would appear a size too small, and in some cases may not be even easy to spot or locate when typing. Hence, if you have increased the font size significantly, it is highly recommended that you tweak the text cursor as well to maintain its visibility. To tweak the cursor, first go to Start menu and click Settings. In the left pane, click on Accessibility. Then search for Text Cursor and click. The first tweak is Text Cursor Indicator. Turn the toggle on and adjust the size. Then you can change the indicator color. The second tweak is Cursor Thickness. Adjust the slider to your desired. The third tweak is Mouse Pointer Size and Color. Click on the mouse pointer and touch menu. Then adjust your pointer style, size and color. To see the change, open Microsoft Word app. Then try to type some words. As you can see, the cursor is now more visible. Okay, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comments, and turn on notification on this channel.